So from a clinical psychologist perspective, how exactly would you define mental health?
Mental health by definition would mean that it is a state of functioning that enables a person to cope well with everyday stressors of life, to realize their true potential, to learn well, work well, and to be able to contribute in the society.
Okay.
Now, when we are defining mental health, we focus on 2-3 main things. That mental health is not absence of diseases,
Okay.
but it is presence of positive functioning. Another thing is that mental health lies in a continuum. It is not a black and white thing. So it ranges from optimal function to the severe mental illness.
Okay.
And the other thing would be that mental health is a holistic thing. So it is multimodal, multidimensional.
So what are the dimensions that we can see in mental health?
Dimensions would be something like emotional well-being, which focuses on regulating your own emotions and understanding other person's emotions.
Okay.
The other domain could be psychological domain that focuses on thinking well, reasoning well, taking the best of the decisions. Something other could be the social domain of it, which involves the interpersonal relationships, the sense of belonging, having empathy for the person, having communication. Then another domain that is in the definition is the occupational functioning.
Okay.
That is the ability to contribute in the society, to work well, to be able to come to one's true potential. And the last dimension would be along the existential or spiritual domain, to grow, to know one's own value, to be able to achieve what you are intended to achieve.
Okay.
So those would be the major dimensions.
Right. So there are 4 different dimensions.
4 to 5 different
4 to 5
dimensions.
different dimensions. So you're saying all these dimensions should be well in a person?
No, it's not like all of these dimensions should be well, but yes, most of these dimensions are related to each other.
Okay.
And another important dimension, that is physical health, is also related.
Okay, so you're saying physical health and mental health are correlated.
Yes.
Okay.
It is a interplay of both the health that defines the true functioning of the person. That would help us understand that the person is in the best of the capacity to deal with the everyday life. So oftentimes what we see is that we say sound mind resides in sound body, as if these are contingencies.
Yeah.
However, I believe that these are contiguous terms, which means that mental health, psychological health, emotional health are all domains related to each other that will help build a true health of a person, health as a capital of a person.
So all of this contributes to the health of a person,
Yes.
is what you say.
Yeah.